Now let me take discuss here about cell and battery. Okay, what is cell and what is battery? You know, cell is a simply it is a device which converts chemical energy into what? Electrical energy. You can say like this: electrical energy, chemical energy to electrical energy. Now, it is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Let us suppose we went to our market, we purchase one cell like this. It is having written 1.5. You must have seen that pencil battery which we are using in our wall watch. Okay, what we see? We see here it is written here like this: plus, minus, and 1.5 volt like this. Okay, the potential difference which is written here, it is called as EMF, electromotive force. It is called as electromotive force. Okay, now it is represented by E. All the cell, because it is a practical not ideal case, so it will have some resistance of itself. It is called as internal resistance. Okay, now this is one cell. It is having one EMF and one internal resistance like this. Now let us suppose we connected here, we have connected it to a clock, our clock. Okay, say resistance of clock is R, then the current will flow through this path. Let us suppose I will flow through here like this. Let us, how we can say I is equal to, how we will write I? Start from here, starting here, we can write like this. Writing KVL equation, what we will write? Minus I into R. Okay, now minus I into small r plus E is equal to 0. That means we can write like this: I is equal to E by R plus R, like this. Okay, now you see this is current flowing through it. Now if I want to know what is the potential difference across this terminal VAB, what I will tell? To find VAB, I have told you VA minus VB. What I have to do? Start from B and reach A. In the previous lecture, I have told you this concept, that whenever we have to find potential difference, what we will do? We will start from B and reach A. So start from B and reach A. Starting from B here, look, current is flowing through this path. We can say minus IR plus E, like this. Sorry, I can say like that: VAB is equal to E minus IR C. This thing. What we are seeing, we seeing that suppose it is we have purchased one battery. Suppose we have purchased one battery to a shop. It is written 1.5 volt. But when we have connected it to in a clock or any device, the potential difference across the terminal is decreasing. You see here, the potential difference across the terminals are decreasing. It is E minus IR. See, VAB. This VAB is called as terminal voltage. It's called as terminal voltage. Okay, or potential difference, or simple potential difference. And this is EMF. Always EMF is greater than potential difference whenever circuit is closed. Now let us see how we define EMF. EMF is defined whenever we have purchased from a market, whenever circuit is open, we have not connected through it, then the voltage retained in the battery or cell is called as EMF. It is defined for an open circuit. When we close the circuit, we define terminal voltage. For a closed circuit, we define terminal voltage. You can see here, we can define terminal voltage. You can see here. Okay, now in short, I can define here EMF is defined for open circuit and potential difference is defined for closed circuit. Okay, now you should remember this. To find that potential difference or terminal voltage, what we do? EMF minus I into internal resistance. This should remember this. Okay. Okay, now any problem? We will do many problem in this using this formula. Any problem in this concept? We have studied the simple basic of cell. Now, let us move further. I am focusing on NEET only. Okay, that's why I am not going in the detail of the dry cell, galvanic cell, or those. Okay, I am only dealing with the questions which are asked in NEET from this chapter. Okay.